This is question 10 of our second day of question and answer weekend session. This question comes from Svetlana, and her question is, how many lessons should we devote to students working on the project in class? The first thing that I will say regarding this question is how important it is that the students really do all the work in class. Remember that one of the criteria for PBL is collaboration, working with others. So you really want to see how the students are accomplishing this task. So that's why it's important for you to see what the students are doing. Also, because it will be very important for evaluation that you see the process. So really plan your time wisely, because you do want the students to do the work in class. Also, it depends on your school. At my school, we work all the subjects through PBL, through projects. So we do projects throughout the whole day. Now, if your school is turning to PBL slowly, make sure that you plan long chunks of time in where your students will be working on the project, because they do need time first to get used to this new methodology, and also to think, to share, and to create. Now, let me show you one of my teachers' projects, so then you can see kind of how time is divided through the different stages of PBL. This will be the entry event, the presentation. She also tagged that strategy, which is what we know, what we need to know, and how we are going to find out. So through the presentation stage, she got the questions to go to the inquiry stage, so that's why it's been done in 2 sessions. Then she went into the inquiry or research stage. This is the backbone of the project. So usually the research stage is what takes the longest. She planned 3 sessions for this. There's a lot of activities that will be happening there, a lot of scaffolding of activities that will help the students understand and find out about the content, the topic of the project, and also all the language teaching through scaffolding, language development activities will be happening here. Then it's the development of the final products. This is 2 sessions. This was to create some sort of presentation, so it wasn't that long, but this would all depend on your final product. What is it that your students need to do? The one day for the implementation, so the culminating event in where we tell the audience what we have done. And then at the school, we always do at the end of the project one session of evaluation of the project itself. So there you see that the Let's Finish one day session. So hopefully you'll find this helpful. Bear in mind that the longest stage will be the inquiry stage. Don't forget to really give time to project scaffolding, to help the students understand what is happening in this process, what they're doing, why they're doing it, and what they need to do next with self-evaluation and peer evaluation. That is part of PBL process. So make sure that you do allowed time for this to happen as well.